Hey guys, welcome to another video. Totally different this one. Technically I'm still in the four-wheel drive because I'm in the light tanker. I'm located in Boyanup at the Leschenault Lady Museum. That's the place where they restored the Leschenault Lady steam train, and that's where it lives now. They're having an open day today. They're taking passengers up and down the track for about 100-200 meters, and that's all they can do because the track's not commissioned anymore. Yeah, open day. It's a great museum. There's blacksmiths, old machinery. Occasionally they have old cars on display. It usually happens on the last Sunday of the month. And yeah, it's a great little day out. If you're ever in the area, come down to Boyanup and visit the Leschenault Museum. Leschenault train. It's awesome. Kids are loving it. Grandparents are loving it, who are coming here with their grandkids. And yeah, the main set is also here on this property, so yeah, it's a great day out for everyone who likes trains. And there's other bits and pieces in town as well. They usually got the farmers markets on at the last Sunday of the month, so they all coincide. They all do it at the same day. So yeah, coming down last Sunday of the month, come down to Boyanup. Thanks for watching. I hope you're going to enjoy the video I've got from the train ride. And yeah, catch you later. See ya.